Alright, here's the drone video for a 14-acre property in Douglas County, Missouri. We just launched from the north side of the property. We're looking south over the property. You can see it's basically all wooded. This video actually focuses upon the east side of the property, but you can see the whole works here at different times. So we're just kind of slowly heading south, looking down at the property. You're going to have a nice mix of timber with hardwoods, some cedars, some pine. This area was logged within the last couple years. Certainly not clear cut. In fact, this 14 acres is some of the best looking ground out there as far as timber that's on it. Kind of getting a look at the timber and how that lays. Large level area by the northeast side of the property, which is roughly where we are. And then it slopes down very gently from there. So you can check out the topo map on our website at InstantAcres.com. But I mean, you can see that just a nice large level area, very usable. So it'd be the highest, probably on about the northeast corner, which is where you'll find the large flat area. And then gently sloping down, so beautiful south-facing property with some excellent views. Now we're going to spin around and we'll be looking west, I believe, in a minute here. You can see the gravel easement road. The land lays on the left side of the road. There's the truck parked there. So basically everything you see on the left is going to be part of the 14 acres. Awesome area for deer, awesome area for turkey. Very close to the Mark Twain National Forest, very close to the North Fork River. So you can see even where the property slopes down as we look kind of southwesterly right now. Not steep, it's a gradual slope, so it's a nice usable property. Lots of great building sites, lots of awesome spots if you want a view, if you want privacy. It's fantastic. Power's not too far away. Power's within about a quarter mile, less than that actually. Excellent property. You can go to InstantAcres.com if you want to check if this is still available. You can definitely give us a call in the office, or you can email us at sales@InstantAcres.com. Definitely, if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. We try to bring you new properties all the time. We offer complete seller financing on everything we sell. You just do have to go to the website to see what's available. That's updated by the minute. So InstantAcres.com, and we'd be more than happy to chat with you about any of our properties.